Hello and welcome. We are solving PYQs of equations and arithmetical reasoning, and our theme is some abstract cases of equation, and you call this theme as pure arithmetical reasoning. Let's check it out. So question number 1, it says the age of Mr. X last year was square of a number and it would be cube of a number next year. So let us assume at present his age is X. So last year his age should be x minus 1, and it is given to us that this x minus 1 is square of a number. Now next year at present, if his age is x, so next year his age should be x plus 1, and it is given to us that next year this age was equals to cube of a number. Let's say it is z cube. Now if you check these two ages at the same time, you will find out the difference between these two ages must be of 2 years, which means z cube minus 2 must produce y square. Now I do not have any further information given, so we need to solve this question by hit and try. So let's assume that z is equals to 1. If z is equals to 1, then z cube, which means 1 cube minus 2. 1 cube minus 2 is what? Minus 1. And minus 1 is not a perfect square. So z cannot be equal to 1. What if z is equals to 2? 2 cube minus 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 is not a perfect square, so we can discard it. Now, let us assume z is equals to 3. Now, 3 cube is 27, minus 2 is 25, and 25 is a perfect square, which means y has to be equal to 5. Right? Now, what is z cube? Z cube is 27. Z cube is what? 27. Meaningly, in the next year, his age is 27. So, at present, his age must be 26. Alright. Now, it was given to us what is the least number of years he must wait for his age to become the cube of a number again. So, after 27, next cube is 64. Right now, he is 26 years old. So, for how many years he has to wait? So, subtract 26 from 64. You will be getting 38 years. So, he has to wait for how many years? He has to wait for 38 years. I hope guys this is clear to everyone. Let's move on to the next case. For a charity show, the total tickets sold were 420. Half of these tickets were sold at the rate of 5 each. So what is half of 420? So half of 420 is 420 by 2, and these many tickets has been sold at 5 rupees each. So total money will become half of 420 is 210 into 5, which comes out to be equal to 1050. Now next, one third at the rate of 3 each. So what is 1/3 of 420? So 1/3 of 420 is 420 by 3. Now these many tickets has been sold at rupee 3 each. So it becomes what? It becomes 420 only. Now next it says the rest for rupee 2 each. Now see what you can do. See, out of 420, 420 by 3 has been gone already, and 420 by 5 has also, 420 by 2 has been gone already, because out of 420 these many tickets and these many tickets has been sold already. So 420 minus, if you do this, 420 by 3 it was 140, and 420 by 2 it was 210. So if you subtract them, you're gonna left out with what? If you subtract them, you're gonna left out with the remaining number of tickets. This is one way of dealing with it. Okay, what else you can do? See, in case of percentage, A number is 100% of itself, and in case of fraction, a number is what? A number is only one of itself. So out of one, half tickets are gone already and 1/3 tickets are gone already. So how many? What fraction gonna left out? If you solve this, it gonna gives you 1/6. So 1/6 of the tickets will be left out, which means 420 upon 6. These many tickets would gonna be left out. So if you do this, and these many tickets has been sold at what? They has been sold at rupees 2 each. So if you solve this, it becomes what? 70 into 2, which is what? 140. So one from these remaining tickets, the amount of money earned is 140. What examiner is looking for? What is the total amount received? For total amount received, we need to add them. If you add them, it comes out to be equal to 1610. Please check it out. Answer is option C. I hope guys this is clear. Let's move on to the next case. It says a village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per day. 4,000 people need 150 liter of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 into 15 into 6. The water of this tank will last for how many days? So first of all, we need to know how much water is available, and that value when divided by how much water is being used per day will give me the number of days. So we are having 20 into 15 into 6 cubic meter of water, but okay, we are having this much of water, and everyday consumption is, there are 4,000 people and each of them is consuming 150 liters. So this is the total available water and this is the what consumption per day. If you divide them, you will get the answer. But the problem over here is units in the numerator is meter cube and units in the denominator is liter. So we need to know 1 cubic meter is equals to how many liter? It is actually equal to 1000 liters. Okay, please make a note of it. 1 cubic meter is equals to what? 1000 liter. This was the crux of this very problem. So in the numerator, 20 into 15 into 6 into 1000 upon 4000 into 150. Now we are having liter in the numerator, liter in the denominator, so liter will get cancelled out. Now let's solve this further. 0 0 0 0 0 0, this 0 gone, 15 and this 15 gone, 2 and 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, answer is 3. Hence the water will last for how many days? Water will last for 3 days. Simple. Let's move on to the next question. Next question is this. It says in a parking area, the total number of wheels of all the cars, 4-wheelers. Let's say number of 4-wheelers over there were X, and scooter motorbikes 2-wheelers, and number of 2-wheelers, let us assume number of 2-wheelers over there were Y, is 100 more than the number of parked vehicle. Now if X is the number of cars and Y is the number of scooters, so total parked vehicles must be X plus Y. Then if X is the number of cars, every car has 4 wheels, so total wheels because of cars should be 4X. Next, if Y is the number of 2-wheelers, every 2-wheeler have or has 2 wheels only, so total number of wheels because of 2-wheelers will become 2Y. So this is what? This is the total number of wheels. What is this? This is the total number of wheels, and it is given to us that these total number of wheels are equal to twice the number of parked vehicle plus 100. See, it was given it that total number of wheels is 100 more than twice the number of parked vehicle. Number of parked vehicles are x plus y, twice of it is into 2 plus 100. So this is the information which is given in the question. If we solve this, it becomes 4x plus 2y comes out to be equal to 2x plus 2y plus 100. Now 2y get cancelled out, 4x minus 2x will become 2x equals to 100 and x becomes 50 here. What was x? X was the number of four-wheeler, or x was the number of cars parked. What are we looking for? Number of cars parked. So how many cars are parked here? 50 cars are parked here. Hence the answer is option C. I hope guys you have understood it, and this is it for the video. Thank you so much.